Liabilities, screenshot the textbook definition and write it, make a flashcard. I don't want you to forget it. I think personally, textbook definitions are kind of boring. So per the accounting direct way, we're gonna go over a real world example. And today we're gonna look at Amazon's financial statement. Liabilities, liable, it's in the name. The company is liable to pay. So click on Amazon's financial statement, table of contents. Liabilities are located in the balance sheet section, assets, followed by liabilities. A few examples of Amazon's liability are accounts payable. These are items that Amazon has purchased on account. What does that mean? They bought the item and they need to pay for it back. Think of like a credit card. When you go to swipe your credit card, you get the object today, but you got to pay it at a later date. You are liable to pay that balance. You owe. Amazon owes. Accrued expenses and other unearned revenue. Okay, for example, Amazon sells Amazon Prime. You probably are paying for it on an annual basis. So they owe you, let's say you bought it in month 1, they still owe you 11 months of service. So Amazon is liable for that. They cannot recognize all of the revenue at once. They have to recognize the revenue in the period incurred. So they are liable for the remaining 11 months that they owe you for Amazon Prime. Long-term lease liabilities, again, this is probably has to do with their warehouses. They're in a long-term lease. They owe the rent for that. Long-term debt could be bonds. I don't have the exact details of their long-term debt. It could be something like expansion. They might have some pretty big loans, so they can build more and more Amazon warehouses. I don't know about you, but I see Amazon in my neighborhood about 50 times a day. And these are some examples of liabilities, once again, which the company is liable to pay. And let me know, what kind of accounting videos would you like to see in the comments below?